To determine whether you have a truck and SUV rugged blade style 1 or style 2, look to the ends of your blade. If you have a triangle shape on the end of your blade, you have a style 1. If you have an L shape, you have a style 2. To determine if you have a narrow or regular P&H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular P&H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P&H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Truck and SUV Rugged Series Style 2 wiper blade on a P&H arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grasp the blade firmly and pry the adapter away. Locate the additional adapter within the packaging. To install, align the packaged adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Place the packaged adapter on top of the base connector and press down until it locks into place with a click. This may take additional effort to push into place. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult your owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Next, turn the wiper blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the wiper blade down until it locks into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Truck and SUV Rugged Series wiper blades.